We're now going to learn how to randomly sample a series with the sample method. So here is a series of data, and this is pretty cool. What we're going to do here is just pick out values at random. So this is like we're just literally sampling them and to get a new series. So just call sample, and there's two parameters you can set, n or fraction. So if you know a specific number, I want to select, let's just say 10 random movies from here. Really they're scores. This will be it. So if you're looking to, I don't know, for whatever reason, pick some random movies, you can do this. N equals 10. Now, it does not sample with replacement, so you'll never get the same row twice, which means that if you try to sample something that is more than what is possible, right? So if you try to do 5,000 movies, there's only 4916. Well, you can't do that. It actually tells you what to do. You can't do this when replace equals false, so you can set replace equals true. This will allow you to sample. The way this works is that it will choose a number or choose a movie, and then for the next one, it could possibly choose the exact same movie again for each of them. So it's sampling with replacement. That's what this does. So the only way to sample more than your number is to use replace equals true. Another way to sample is with the frac parameter. So frac is a number between 0 and 1 by default. And this allows you to, I want to sample like a 10% of my data set. So this will be approximately, 490, right? Because there's 4,900 about. So this is 10%. I can do a 1% sample, which is closer to 50, like this. 001, so this will be close to 5, right? So pretty cool. You can sample by fraction of the data set. You can also set replace equals to true over here. If you sample more than, I don't know if it actually lets you sample. Yeah, you have to do replace equals true. Actually sample, this is 110% of your data set. Anyway, so a lot of cool ways to sample your data set with this sample method.